Aloha everyone! I'm Gabby
And I'm Georgie,
and we are the mummies of Sisterhood Furniture
and content creators for Dixie Belle Paint.
In today's tutorial we are going to repaint this little stunner.
We really like this piece, it's amazing, but we think the color doesn't match, so we want to get rid of it.
Let it go.
Let it go.
Let it go. This piece is gonna be quite different from our usual style, but we are here experimenting all the time and yeah, let's see what it's gonna be.
Stay with us if you want to see this amazing transformation.
Let's do it! I started with black. I used caviar from Dixie Belle. I applied it on the corner and then in some random spots. I blended it a bit of collard greens too, followed by pine cone in a second. It's a quite weird blend so far, but let's just roll with it. I use the mist water bottle sometimes. If the paint starts to dry, this will reactivate it, allowing you to keep blend the colors smoothly. Bringing in the evergreen. Such a good idea. It's really pretty. It's subtle but nice. I also really like how the color underneath matches with these weird colors, so I just added a bit of apricot. It's like a spot of light together with this color, blueberry, which is the first time when we are using it. It's so pretty. I was creating some content for Instagram and TikTok, and by the way, if you are not friends there, we should be. Wink wink. I also applied a bit of metallic paint in deep woods off camera. I wasn't sure that it's gonna go in the second coat, but it did, because it's the best thing that could be added on this type of piece. Moonshine Metallic in deep woods for the win, all day, every day. It just brings the piece together and it's special. It's just special. Now let's move working on the second coat, where I kind of follow the same steps but with more confidence now. I was really confused about this piece at the beginning. Like we don't usually work with this kind of dark colors, so I don't know, I was just trying to figure it out. But I had a good feeling about it. And it turned out to be one of our favorite pieces. So yeah, it has been a really cute challenge. Anyway, I applied caviar, collard greens and pine cone so far. I cannot tell you which brushes I used, how I used them, it just got all messy. I just know I had one brush for each color and a few clean brushes to blend the colors. And yeah, otherwise just all very messy. I added the evergreen, and on top of it I added the Moonshine Metallic. It's really nice. It just brings this piece to another level. I topped some black and then I added burlap. I wanted to create like soft gray, and yeah, I just like the mix between the burlap, black, that apricot, the pine cone. It's nice. I'm really enjoying what is happening here. We are going to apply Dixie Shine as a last touch. First, I applied the glue on the areas I want to place it, in this case on the handles corners and just some random spots. And then I applied the Dixie Shine, which is stunning.
I sealed this piece with 3 layers of gator hide, a durable satin sealer from Dixie Belle, and I waited about 2 hours in between each coat.
And this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this piece as much as we do. It turned out unexpectedly and we love it so much. Anyway, hope you will join us in our next furniture tutorials, and yeah, see you soon. Bye!